This is the NEEWER TP12 aluminum built tripod right here, and this is how it actually looks from out the box right here. Now this is the furthest it can go from the base, but we can get a more further reach if we extend this little section right here. So we can actually put this up to get it more of a further reach. Now inside the package we can use this section right here to mount our phone on. As you can see right here, I can put this at landscape and also in portrait mode by bending this little top section right here. So we can actually rotate this section if we want to get it in a landscape mode, and we can tighten one of these adjustment right here to get it sturdy. We can put that down, or we can tighten this section right here. Now also we can use this section right here to tighten the butt head from prevent it from moving up or down. Now we can pull an X lever on it, so if you want to rotate it like in this direction, as you guys can see right there, we can rotate it in this direction as well. We can also pull this section right here if we want to remove this part right here completely. So if you have a different mounting option where we can mount onto this right here, we can have different mounting onto this section, as you guys can see right there. So this tripod right here is very lightweight, and most of its material is made from aluminum. Now these knobs right here and other parts is made from plastic. So like these joints right here, like these screwing knobs up at the top right here, this section right here, and also most of the head that's locked to this compartment is made from plastic. Also this component as well, where we can lock and put right here, is made from plastic. And I can say that this right here feels really sturdy, especially if you want to shoot like outdoor like this. But what I recommend though, you must be mindful of something like some heavy wind. But under this section right here, you can see we have like a hook thing. So if you're in a heavy wind, you can put an heavy object on this section right here, you know, to make it be more sturdy on the ground, because this right here is really light. So you have to be careful when you're putting your camera on this, especially if you're shooting like outdoor in a windy situation. Now this section right here, as you guys can see, we can use this to open the leg, extend it more. So let's say if we are doing a low shot, a low angle shot, and we want to get more widen of the legs right here, what we can do, we can draw this section right here, so we can close it in, or we can pull it down, and then we can pop it out more. As you guys can see right there, I can get more extension of my feet right here, and then we can lock that into place, so we can steep it from, you know, extending further. So we can draw it down this section on both of these side. Also to the section of the bottom right here, these little feet, we can actually screw them out. So if we have another replacement or anything like that, we can actually screw these out and get more different one put in there. Even though I haven't seen any more of them come inside the package, but it's pretty good that we can actually swap them out if we have a different one that we can use onto this tripod right here. But this tripod right here is travel friendly, so if you're out traveling and want something to stuck in your backpack, this right here can be a good choice for you. I'm gonna put links in the description if you guys interested in picking up one of these. And this is just my review of this right here. So hope you guys find this video very helpful, and remember to subscribe to this channel for more content like this. As always, peace. I'm out.